Amazon Prime Day, exciting. Yes, I'm going to talk about 5 items today, specifically Amazon devices. I will link them all below in case you want to pick them up. But these are great for home automation, turn lights on and off, or for cameras. Let's jump right into it. Number one, a fantastic item. I was skeptical, but when I got mine, I'm in love with it. It's a Ring doorbell. These are great because it has motion alerts, lets you know as far as somebody's at the door, just walking up there, two-way talking. And it's great because you can use it without even being at home. So that way people think you're at home and it helps keep your house secure. And we love our Echo Show 5. This is great because when you do use the camera or other things too, or even watch videos, you can see it on a screen. So that way you can see who's at your door, etc. You don't want to open up your door to whoever. This will tell you who's out there. Number 3 is an Amazon Fire HD10 tablet built for relaxation. It's actually great for things, especially if you want to be able to do things around the house and still be able to watch like your favorite Goshen prepping videos. Number 4, instead of getting the one with the screen, you can get an Amazon Echo Dot to be able to turn things on and off or simply just relax with sounds in your house. And lastly, number 5 is a Ring outdoor camera. If you like the doorbell camera, you'll like this as well. $60, great for monitoring your perimeter of your house. There you have it. There's your 5 Amazon devices. I'll link them all below. And if you do pick them up, we get a portion of the sale and we say thank you. It helps support our channel because we always try to keep everything free for Goshen prepping. Which of these do you have? Again, we love our Ring doorbell camera. Out of anything, it's fantastic. Put them in the comments below. What do you have? And we'll see you next time.